Sing Sang Tai Tai Lihu. My name is Nita Bihilya. I am from Valenzuela City, Philippines. I'm happy married. I have 3 sons, age 21, 8, and 6 years old, and 1 daughter, age 23 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, singing, and washing clothes. I work as a housemaid in Philippines for 2 years. I serve 1 couple and 1 children, age 3 years old, and 1 baby, age 7 months old. And I work as a domestic helper in UAE for 4 years. I serve 1 couple, children, and baby, ages 12 and 3 months old baby. My duties are cooking, taking care of baby, ironing, washing clothes, washing car, marketing, and taking care of pets. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give a better life to my family, especially my children. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid, and I promise I will do my best to serve your family and treat your children as my own. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.